With the development of technology, it is not difficult to transfer files from PC to iPad now, and you even have 5 options to achieve your goal, including using file moving software, iTunes, iCloud Drive, online drive, email, or other tools or services. Way 1. How to transfer files from PC to iPad using Mobikin Assistant for iOS. Without iTunes, iOS file transfer tool to transfer files from PC to iPad. The best way is to use Mobikin Assistant for iOS. This is a professional tool for iOS file transfer and management. Guide to transfer files to iPad from PC using Assistant for iOS. Step 1. Run the program on your computer and continue connect your iPad to PC via USB cable. Step 2. Go with the prompts on the screen to make your iPad recognized, and you will see the following interface. Step 3. Click on the category to which you want to import files in the left panel, such as Contacts. Step 4. Go on to tap the Import option and choose the wanted files from your PC. Step 5. Hit Open, and the program will start importing files from PC to iPad. Way 2. Transfer files to iPad from computer via iTunes. Open iTunes, connect iPad. Click Device icon, choose File Sharing, select App, click Add File, and choose Files. Click Sync to transfer to iPad. Way 3. Transfer files from PC to iPad without iTunes via iCloud Drive. Visit iCloud.com. Log in, click iCloud Drive, Upload. Select Files, open on iPad, open Files app. Tap Browse, iCloud Drive. Then select Files. Choose Copy on my iPad, copy to transfer files. Way 4. Use online drive to import files from PC to iPad. Visit Dropbox.com, sign in or create an account. Click Upload Files or Folder. Select Data, Upload. Open Files app on iPad. Locate Dropbox folder under Locations. Choose Uploaded Files. Download to iPad. Way 5. Transfer data from PC to iPad through email. Copy or zip files on computer. Sign into email. Click Compose. Paste or attach files. Enter receiver's email. Hit Send to email to iPad.